So we got 2 benches now. Thanks to guest star Matt for giving us a hand finishing some things up. The twins are done. Armrests are done. Ready to be clad or skinned in found wood or whatever we're going to use. The only other things we need to do now is the actual horizontal plane. The 2 leaves that fold over to create the big bed platform. So I'll work on that for next time. But that's basically just going to be 2 boards hinged together at one end. The two boards hinged in the front, and then the bottom board hinged at the back to give you this action and to give you the fold out action, and then that'll be duplicated on the other side. So we'll throw it to Matt to talk about what destruction he did today.
Hi, Matt.
So I came out to assess the stair situation, since there was a little bit of a bubble when you first walk in. Turns out there's a lot of rust, so I tore some stuff out, see how bad it really is. For the next time I come out and visit, I'll try and do a mock-up of the stringers to see how we like that structurally. I'm hoping I can build off one beam and work straight to the frame.
Cool. Let's go take a look at this. I think they look really cool right now. But we've censored the last step.
Yeah. I can pull a few hunks out of it from underneath if you want.
Oh, that's right. It's rusty. So that's what that looks like. It's all one piece, right? Which is interesting.
Yeah, that's the secondary layer. Not including the vinyl treads themselves. There was a second layer galvanized, and then the actual structural bit that is darn near all gone. What's left that isn't a big gaping hole that's being covered by wood is not long for this world. So we're gonna try and fix that.
It's gonna be fancy.
Yeah.
Or
yeah.
at least sturdy.
Or at least very sturdy.
Alright, well that's our crew for today. I didn't do much, but made some progress on that baseboard.
More support.
So a little bit more wall.
Foreman, that's what you do.
Choose the human table saw.
Yeah, that's right, the human table saw. And you rip down the baseboard there. Alright, we'll see you next time.
Bye, bye.